Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 30 LE for visible by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video, the TCL 30 LE is coming soon to visible. I don't know when this video will be up on YouTube, so hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, the phone will be able to be purchased. So the TCL 30 LE is a new button smartphone for visible. So you will get what you pay for here, so don't expect much from this phone here. It is $105 for a retail price for the phone. So you do get what you pay for here, so keep that in mind. Color option is a prime black color option, 32 gigabytes of storage. There is the front of the phone there. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera. Earpiece above that. Power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Your TCL clock there on the lock screen there, which I do like a lot. You call for wallpaper there on the lock screen. The right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. On the back of the TCL 30 LE is your single rear camera flash TCL logo. There is front and back of the phone there, so yeah. You can get the TCL 30 LE on a bi-weekly payment option, $26.25 bi-weekly, which is interesting, or full retail price of $185. You can get this phone for free when you transfer your number to Visible and send us your old phone. If you guys want to learn more about the Visible swap program, that will be the second link in this video description here. Says here, meet the TCL 30 LE, simple, smart, reliable. The TCL 30 LE is the Android 12 powered smartphone that lets you do more, longer, featuring a 6.1-inch HD display, powered by Next Vision for enhanced photos, videos, and adaptive eye care modes. Designed for comfort, you can watch, read, or browse with ease. Capture crisp, vivid pictures using the 13-megapixel main camera, or harness the power of Google Lens built into the camera to experience the world around you in a new way. Snap flattering selfies for your social media stories with the 8-megapixel front-facing camera and face beauty functionality. Save your favorite artist's photography or albums worth of photos with the expandable 32 gigabytes of memory. And the biometric security allows for quick access to your favorite apps while keeping your device secure. Best for members who are first-time smartphone users and looking for a budget-friendly option. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Specs: 6.1 inches V-notch display, HD plus, 720 by 1560 pixel resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate. So your standard refresh rate there, so nothing special there. It has Next Vision technology by TCL. The TCL 30 LE weighs 6.1 ounces. Dimensions: 6.14 inches height, 2.90 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. It takes a physical nano SIM card. There is no eSIM support on this phone here. It runs Android 12, 13 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Processor is a MediaTek Helio A22 6761B quad-core 2 GHz processor, 32 gigabytes of internal storage with expandable micro SD card expansion. So take advantage of that. 3000 mAh battery. The battery is removable, so that's where your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the back of the phone. Security features include face unlock, 4-digit PIN, password, pattern lock. Roaming, yes, if you're on the Visible Plus plan, you will have the option to roam. What comes in the box is the TCL 30 LE 4G LTE smartphone, Type-C cable, 3000 mAh battery, Type C wall chargers. I guess it's Type C to Type C. Quick start guide, some ejection tool, which is interesting, and a user manual. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, backup phone, a first phone for your kid or whatever, or the TCL 30 LE does have some decent features with it. The biggest con I have about the phone is that it only has a single rear camera in the back. Like, it's 2023, and we're still seeing phones with a single rear camera, which is ridiculous, because a lot of budget phones have at least 3 or sometimes 4 cameras on the back. This one has 1 camera on the back, and that is it. That is my biggest con about the phone. But other than that, it's not bad for a budget smartphone. Like I said, you do get what you pay for here. So for $105, don't expect much. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.